One of the most liberating skill sets you'll ever acquire is that of an email marketer. And the reason why is, by creating an email subscribers list of your own, those email subscribers become a list of individuals from all over the world that you can begin to create long and prosperous relationships with. Each and every single day, tens of thousands of brand new aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals looking to earn extra income turn to the internet and come online in hope of making that goal a reality. At the top of our list, inside of the new viral vending machine, are a free list and funnel builder and free list and funnel builder training. And if learning email marketing basics, such as how to create and or set up your first lead capture page, how to set up your first list, how to set up your first email broadcast, and ultimately an autoresponder and follow-up email campaigns, you might want to make the new viral vending machine the next website you visit, because the learning doesn't stop after the email marketing basics. In fact, it's only the beginning. If the creating your own email subscribers list skill set excites you, visit the new viralvendingmachine.com, unlock the free over-the-shoulder training, and we promise, if it's brand new to you, you'll definitely learn some things you never knew.